So first on that, they can post a job in a job board or use a headhunter. Both that either to high fee or take a lot of time. So all the tech company have an internal referral recruitment. So the question is how we can make is the external that anyone could be the referrer, so that we don't need limited to number of employees. That's also the problem that and the way we want to solve with UC Talent. So that take that solution, we want to target our customer segment that specifically in the Web3 and blockchain startup. Something like Media, the GameFi platform, who have spent $2 million to scale a tech team of 550 talent from last bull run, mostly in Vietnam. And then in that market, we look at some number here through the developer report. We have around 26,000 of blockchain developer. Then we can estimate a total talent in Web3 about 260,000 of talent. And then that's from that we can aim for some markets within 10% of Web3 talent. So we have 9.2 million US dollar for referral recruitment, and then some with about 92 million USD for recruitment globally for Web3 talent. But in the long run, we total market we want to aim for is that global tech, $800 billion. And take a look about our competitor. Then tech recruitment have a lot of Web2 solution. We're crowded here with the big guy linking. But when talking to come Web3, there are a couple guys to do a very good job, but they focus on the West, like US and Europe, like Bondex and Brenters. UC Talent is the one who aim for the East, and then that is truly the Web3 talent network. So that is our solution. We want to build a privacy Web3 talent network with two pillars: confidential on-chain referral recruitment and career AI agent. So what it does? So first, for confident on-chain referral reward, we create a referral smart contract on a private public blockchain. So where a hiring company can put a job and put a reward into that with confidence on the, for example, referral amount. That only the application can know that amount. Then anyone outside, inside can apply referral. So any successful transaction usually can take 20% of reward. Same that's the manner, but we provide also think provide confident option referral with interact with the bank system through the IBI. So blockchain now is just a record the transaction and then give up the legal contract. So in this way, we still take 20% of referral reward as revenue. For the AI career agency, we can take from the core data, user input, and our own data to processing the data. With the power of large language model, we can do something like career assessment and planning, talent searching and matching to get for the HR through chatting, or interview mock or interview preparation for the talent, or verify the company before they can accept the offer. All of that with the chat with our AI agent. In 2024, Houston become a number one Web3 job board in Southeast Asia and APAC. This is a number of registered and accumulating talent we have now. We also have some certain prize in some startup competition in the Vietnam and regional. We also have more than 100,000 of investment and commitment, and we just get the grant from the Coty, 7,500 grant from Coty, which is going to the best win for us to be a managed with them. So 2024, what we do? So we manage confident referrals on the Coty V2 when they manage. Then we launching, we will be the very first launching token on the Coty V2 when they manage. Now they plan about in the end of March. Then we build AI career agent and the mobile app to get more talent. Then we launch another privacy career coaching service to extract and engage talent on our network. That fit into our strategy roadmap. From we already have an MBB, now we go to market, launch a UC talent token, grow and listing with a couple KPI you can see here. So to do that, we have with our tokenomics where we save a majority for user incentive, and that use that to attract and adoption through talent. When then the token will become to use for pay premium service on every service on UC Talent network. So the core team behind, which include me and my father, we have 60-year product data and software engineer, mostly on Web2. And then on the growth, staff funding, and tech recruitment from our advisory. I want to, like, we have a grow advisory, vice president of growth in Wolf, number one food delivery in Europe. So now we are looking for six round with 650,000 USD for 5 million pot money evaluation, and then 2% of the total UC talent token to development the roadmap we are just doing and development the ecosystem and marketing growth. Why now? So I think believe all of you already hear some certain thing about the market already. But one fun thing is that 20 years ago, Stephen Jobs in one of workshop they say about the podcast. It means combine iPod and broadcast. Now everyone listen to the broadcast, not the TV television anymore. So I believe from now on, a couple of years from now, everyone will have a Web3 application in their pocket. And how about Vietnam? We are very on way on the top of the country where adoption for the crypto owner. And then recently, the Vietnam government has just launched the national blockchain strategy. So we are in very right time to do it. So hopefully you to let John Yusitan to be your number one confidential on-chain before recruitment globally. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Danjo. So next one is